Mr. Wacky and the teacher but I bust a piece, yeah, everybody in the street and us. Do the gully creeper. People who no see ya, you senora, senorita, walk out when you hear the beat, ya. Wait name. Gully creeper. Bend your back, move up your shoulder, move your foot them like a roller, make up your face just like a creature. Then you do the gully creeper. Gully getting deeper on the hill, them getting steeper, and the dancing getting sweeter. Gully creeper. Over Prentice pan a Sunday, uptown with the pan a Monday. Won't the thing say, it done there, a fire links the fun there. Cause I be a dance as I come, they switching carpet pan the ground, the D&G, drop the bomb, the sun up. Do the gully creeper. Gully getting deeper on the hill, them getting steeper, and the dancing getting sweeter. Wait name. Gully creeper. Bolt, you don't know him a the man, and right now you don't know one of the icon them for Jamaica way. Go out there and represent for we good, and you don't know him represent him gully creep, him sweep. You don't know the dancehall fraternity, glad for know say him a run and him a represent a part of the dancehall. So that means say him a show them say I'm from Jamaica where I take time out to exercise, and you know we tell them say no crime, no war, but we still go in the dancehall and we still like what's happening in the dancehall, and the dancehall is a big part of our culture. Same way, so you see my sweep and them thing they say it's not one of them stuck up youth there we come from Jamaica and go on like him. I come from Jamaica, I'm sure you say, yo, me a straight Jamaican, me sweep him, gully creep, all of that. So we all feel great, and him just keep on winning because he's been nothing else but bold. He might be himself, you understand? And when you be yourself, it can't get better than that.
Whoa, that was crazy. Everybody was so hyped. Yeah, that was like one of the moments in history, you know, that like a normal people won't understand, but a dancehall people, a reggae people will know, you know, because everybody started imitating that in dance too. Everybody doing that, you know, the boat dance and in boat linga, and like, yeah, that was like some Jamaican thing, man. Crazy.
Everybody feel good for see him doing that. You understand? Even the dancers who create the dance. And when those people see him doing that, they say, what is that? What is that boat is doing? You understand? So he's helping us anyway. He's establishing our dancehall culture for us. Cha-ching!
I must show him raw Jamaican. Because he could do moonwalk. But he not choose to do moonwalk. I must show him a Jamaica him a deal with. Him run for Jamaica, him run for the, him wear the colour, and him dance.
I think dance, feel good, is all a part of Jamaican culture. I remember growing up and hearing my mom, you know, tell me about her days of the ska and, you know, how they would party and dance till hair sweat out, and it didn't matter because you're there to have fun.
All right, so tell us a little bit about you saying now. What is your favorite? What do you like doing when you're not training or not running?
A party. Also, I'm a young person. Just letting everybody know. I'm a young person, I enjoy partying.
Woodley bang bang. Fire mama queen Africa in the dance. Aye. Have some chopper grades a blaze and a listen to the rhythm. Your heart out me in a make easy to all and a pull me and a.
How do you stop him from going to Paso Paso on a Wednesday night and train?
Yes, he likes the party, but I've seen a significant reduction over the last couple of years.
What's on? What are you listening to now? What music are you listening to?
Strict reggae, normally reggae music.
Who are your favorite artists?
Vybz Kartel, my favorite artist.
Yeah, man, it's a great feeling to know that, you know what I mean, we share the same respect because Bolt is my favorite athlete, you know what I mean, and I've known him for quite a few years, from when he was in high school.
He's a good lyricist, I would say, so I really listen to all his music and it's fun.
Usain Bolt continue to be the best at what you can be. You're the #1 athlete for Jamaica, the #1 athlete for the world, the fastest man alive. I know a Kartel, they say you're artist, lyrics in overdrive. Wow.
It's a land of wood and water and gold right now.
Straight.
And silver and bronze too. Everything. Big them up because them are representing, them carry the flag all around the world. Same like the reggae music and dancehall. That's how we do it. Jamaica, on the map again.
To the world.
Mad.
Aye.
Like a lipstick wall, white for me name like a lipstick wall. Fat tell the frat this is not kids war. Run up in a me gun and boy face fan car. Now the boy them panicking. Turn them dash at a soul them out them kill mannequin. The foot set bust him vomiting. And one right up punishing the killer. One of the more real killer. Better than some more real killer. Real killer. It's like when they're real enough me down some. And them more real enough get down. Real killer. Don't just better than some more real killer.
Every day we watch TV. Every day we watch the Olympics. Cha-ching, ching.
Some people tell me, the secret why Jamaicans are running faster than the Americans.
Hot. The U.S. don't get hot. What the U.S. does is money, money, money.
They got more money, but we got the power, Yeah, in the feet. To the world. Yeah, man. Rastafari,
These youth have something where it's a genetics from slavery. They are slaves mentality because the old slave thing are still in their brain.
I think it's because when they brought over the slaves from Africa, they dropped off the baddest slaves here first. We were the first place they landed, and they took off the baddest ones. They said, get them off the ship. Because you see, Barbados, where everybody is very placid and nice, they were the last. So we got the strongest and the best, and we've had the best genes. We've kept it. I think that's why.
I think maybe it's just the guts. The guts, the determination of Jamaicans like.
That's true. Because Jamaicans hate to give up, they never give up. And then their legs are so long, Their legs are so long, it's not fair, Imagine one step is so far, and when Japanese man are trying so hard to make one step, he's making one step and Japanese man 4 steps.
We like gold, man. We like gold. Yeah, we like gold. We run for gold, anything. You see this? Natural gold, yeah. You get it here? Yeah, man.
Well, why Jamaican run so fast? The garrison them wicked. And normally, sometime growing up, your mother wants to say, good come out her son, so she kind of lock you up in the house. So when I get a chance to come out, hold on there. Azan. Yeah, me there by the studio. Alright. Tell the Q for letting the man with my car for me there now. So, it's like the Gary is so wicked. And more time mama lock us up in the house because she don't want to go outside because she feel like we're going to get caught up in bad company. So when we get the chance to come out, we're happy and we just want to run and, you understand? But Bolt was one of the gifted one way. That's going to be his destiny. Elephant destiny have to hold the mic. Him have to run. So, you see me? Everybody think I work out. That's how it for go.
I'm on the go.
Acapella style. Alright.
Photo shoot.
Alright. Good.
Jamaica is a place where you got music and sports, It mixed together down here. You got Rising Star, and you got a few other sport and community development thing going on,
Bob Marley used to live just down the road here. Bob Marley was great in his time. Bolt is great in his time now.
Definitely, because Bob Marley is a singer and Bolt is a runner, but in their respective fields, they have both achieved the heights of greatness. Yet to be surpassed by anyone. So yeah, that would be a good comparison.
Bob Marley is, to me, he is very, very great. I don't have him that is greater than God, but I have him that Bob Marley is very, very great.
Bob is the one who revealed the message to the world, the church,
within Bolt and Marley is no comparison, brethren. Yeah, man, we have to face reality. Come on, man, because remember, say now, all right, you talk to a man like me now. If we're going to talk about the whole thing now, if we're going to talk about Rasta music, we really enlighten and open eyes. Yes? It's we start it.
Yes, in a deals, in a deal, valleys are just favor. We see man not take a life and not take far. Yes, we see it there when the ain't gon' be far. Living love and righteousness.
Lightning ball, 600 ball, we taking them down, we taking them down. Lightning ball, 600 ball, we taking them down. Cut it, my daddy. One time.